Speak about milk.
Milk is animal giving drinks. The cow is giving a milk, or sheep also giving a milk. Their animals are giving a milk. So generally we will drink cow's milk. In a cow's milk there are lots of calcium, etc. So we will drink. Uh, the all types of the mother say children to drink milk, um, drink milk, or in our generation there are also making duplicate milk. Uh, they are make some water and mix in powder, also powder. So they are looking is the original milk, etc. etc. And and we will eat any time a duplicate milk. So what is the trick to showing the original milk and duplicate milk is in a small beaker you will get a milk, and 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 some iodine are you will purchase, and they will some drops are in milk, and the colors are changed. There are tricks to original milk and duplicate milk showing, and also in also in milk also in a milk factory there are the milk factories workers having also a small type of gadget. They are check the what is percent of milk is original and duplicate, etc. Also, and also advantage of drinking the milk is your body is giving the calcium. This is also your growth is fastly also, etc. Mm, and the people are in a in a city, or in etc. There are people, the farmers are coming to our home, and giving a milk. We will purchase milk of packet. There are lots of companies are producing buying milks like Godavari, etc. are companies selling packets, milk of packets, etc. You will purchase it in a groceries shop, etc. Thank you.
Very good. Next is
cartoon. The small children are like to watching the cartoon. The many types of cartoons in our TV are watch the small boys. Uh, cartoonists are not in a cartoon there are not a real character. The the director of these cartoons are animated the cartoon, and they will show that the cartoon character is real, etc. The and the cartoon is and the cartoon character is looking very smart, so people are like to watch it, and also is the cartoon is very the children are watching the cartoon. The reason is the cartoon is a very very the cartoon shots and the characters is the very comedy and entertainment. They will throwing smart jokes and the children are laughing, so so they are like to the cartoon, etc. Reason to children are watching the cartoon. Many types of cartoon uh, many types of cartoon Doraemon, Motu Patlu, Shinchan, and there are lots of cartoons are showing in our TV. So uh, in a cartoon there are cartoon characters are there are lots of things are the pictures of cartoon character in a pad in our study table in also poster in a wall, etc. And they are advertising the cartoons, etc. And also the children are not eating anytime, so their mothers are starting the cartoon, and the people and the children are anytime people are also watching a cartoon because they are bored to watching a movie serial, etc. So they will also watching a cartoon. Uh, in the cartoon there are lots of things. They are all animated. They are not real. Uh, so but the children but the children are but the children have like but the children the children was there are so real, etc. The children are children and etc. Thank you.
How do you feel when you are away from home?
Away from home means we are out to our home. There are other what is starting means the children are studying in hostels, academy, etc. So so there are lots of experience to how are living in a hostel to how also the in away from home we will get lots of things are learning means how to means how to how to finding the people, what types of people, etc. We will learning in away from home and in home there are not possible are there are no possible in one thing. You have making a big businessman, a successful people, so you will get away from home because all things you will learning that away from home. In also you will get a hostel, so you have so your work is you have done, etc. Uh, and you will have many lots of things you will learning in away from home. And you do not have only your standard syllabus but you have also understood to any place to what is there in a going to any place, etc. Thank you.
Okay. Playing is fun.
In our daily life we seen a lots of colors, lots of colors, and but the many people have only 24 colors. Known that only 24 colors. Also the also 50 colors, etc. People have, but in our world there are lots of colors. They are not known to the people. Uh, there are in another thing another color another color. There are also in our world there are lots of things and there are lots of colors, etc. And the colors means the many types of colors we will having like the children's school's colors, the children's drawing color means pastel colors, also watercolor, etc. types colors. But all the types of colors means the people are painted in our home. In our home, there are also colors, and in our home there are many types of colors. We will paint it like white, red, yellow, etc. types colors we will paint in our home. There are also many types of company to paint to many types of company buying selling colors, like the main companies are selling colors in our homes. There are Asian paints, also Asian paints, etc. I will know that, and also in school colors companies is Regal, uh, etc. I don't know name of companies. So this type, and you will see that rainbow. In a rainbow means the you will see a sun, and also seen a raining. So you have got to seen rainbow. There are 7 colors of in a rainbow. Rainbow. Uh, etc. Rivers and oceans. The rivers and oceans difference is a land and sky difference, because the river is the uh, 2 or 3% of ocean, because the ocean means are a very big area. They are covered to the water, and rivers also are big, but they do not compare to but they are not big to the ocean. And the many types of rivers we will see, like you, the largest river I will heard is Ganga, Godavari. Also I will heard the name of rivers is Yamuna, Kaveri, Narmada, etc. and etc. And mainly rivers depth is depth is not in a deep, but the ocean is a very deep. Like I will heard a fact, ocean is mm, 11 1,100 are 100 meters are depth in oceans, etc. And oceans in a 40-degree depth. The scuba diver are in a 40 degree of in a depth in oceans, etc. And the rivers and oceans water is different, because the rivers water is normal, and I will eat and you will eat and you will drink the ocean's water. So they are very salty. They are very salted. Are the ocean's water. Also the in the ocean's water, you will in oceans near you will see that the small types of soil, etc. and in a river and oceans there are lots of dust people are throwing. So so the oceans and river water people are polluted and they do not taste nicely, etc. Thank you.